I'm going to go through the questions on the final exam, and just so that I can explain them in case there's anything you have questions about. So the first question here says, what are the notes in the chord of G major? Now you can refer to the charts that we've done in class, or if you know your note names on the staff, every good boy deserves fudge. Here we have good boy deserves, so GBD would be your chord. Okay. A major triad, we've talked about this, consists of a root, a major third, and a perfect fifth. This would be a root, major third, and a diminished fifth. That's not correct. Root, major third, and an augmented fifth. We haven't even talked about that. And root, minor third, and a perfect fifth would be a minor chord. So the correct answer is root, major third, perfect fifth. What chord is this? This is what shows you. They're all C, so you know it's some kind of C chord. And notice that the middle note is altered down a half a step with a flat, which makes it minor, so it's C minor. How many tones does a seventh chord have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes in a seventh chord. The root, the third, the fifth, and the seventh. Which of these note combos is a dominant seventh? You'll have to look at your chart that you did in the assignment this week. But it's G, B, D, and then F on top. G, B, D, F. What is this chord on the ukulele? You play this chord a lot. This is the F chord. Name this chord on the ukulele. There's be the red dot, so it's C. Name this chord on the ukulele. There they show it to you on that. That's an F chord. Name this chord on the ukulele. And this one is the C chord when you see it on the tab like this or on the fretboard. What are the strings of the ukulele? Remember, it's green cats eat ants. What chord is this? There's that new one. This is the last chord we learned, the A minor. What is this chord? Or it says, what is a chord? 2 or more notes played together at the same time. This is called a strumming pattern. It says down, up, down, but it's a strumming pattern. This is the G7 chord, one that most of you struggled the most with. The curved line that we studied that hooks 2 of the same pitch together is a tie. The musical notation system is called tablature, when you see the numbers on the lines. These are called, oh, you can't see the picture really. They have a beam across the top. I don't know if I can get that. I can't show you. They're 8th notes. Which ukulele chord is this? Just that one finger there is going to be the A minor chord. The spaces on the neck of the ukulele are called frets. The fretting hand on the ukulele is the left hand. What does the tuning pegs cause the ukulele to do? It changes the individual pitch of each string. You tighten it, it gets higher. You loosen it, it gets lower. The smallest, most classic ukulele is called what? The soprano ukulele. Where did the ukulele originate? Hawaii. And lastly, when playing the ukulele, you strum with your right hand. Those are all the questions on the summative exam.